Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, the Forlitz Sky. If you're new to this channel, my name is Forlitz Sky. I make videos to empower and inspire people by sharing my passion and creativity so that people can feel free to express themselves and live a fulfilling life. This channel is for all men and women who have passion for arts and crafts. It is also for all men and women who are approaching retirement and looking for something to express their creativity during their retirement years. In today's video, we're going to focus on craft. Again, it's time for us to cook. What is the dish that I will be cooking today for Thursday lunch of Lucban Cuisine? And the hint was, dish has two ingredients, which is tomatoes and bell pepper. And guess what? I will reveal what am I going to cook today. And here you go guys, to this board. Okay, it is Afritada, our menu for today, February 14 of 2021. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. So let's get started and join me in 7 steps on how to make Afritada. What is Afritada? According to Wikipedia, Afritada is a braised dish. It is first made by sautéing garlic and onion and then adding the diced meat to fry until tender. After the meat is sufficiently browned, water and tomato paste are poured into the pan, along with diced carrots, potatoes, and sliced red and green bell peppers. The mixture is simmered until the vegetables are cooked. It is served on white rice. Let's get started! Chicken wings and pork and make it to a boil 10 minutes so it removes all the impurities. Turn the heat on and leave it until it boils. Put it in a medium heat, then throw the water to remove all the impurities. While we're boiling the meat, now it's time for us to prepare our ingredients. Okay, let's start with the garlic. Okay, I think that's good. Ingredients number 1, garlic. Use half a piece of onion. Second ingredients, the onion. The next ingredient is salt and pepper, already prepared and put in the containers. Next, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Next ingredient is 5 small pieces of bay leaves. Then carrots, baby carrots, tomato, canned diced tomato. I have 2 kinds of bell pepper. I love bell peppers in my cooking. It is colorful and at the same time smells so good and it's yummy. I use 3 different kinds of bell peppers, small red and yellow bell peppers and the big green bell pepper. Let me show you how to cut this green pepper. For parts of these bell peppers, I just cut that according to the division. Then after that, just open it like that. As you can see, you don't need to put a lot of effort to remove the seeds. By default, it will separate it by itself. So look at that, then throw that away. Remove those membranes and cut the end of the peppers because they are bitter. And make sure to discard all the seeds. There is no nutrition with the seed. They are hassle to eat and they may stick in your tummy and may cause diverticulitis. Peel the 3 medium-sized potatoes. Now that I peeled the 3 potatoes, I need to cut them into pieces. Cut each potatoes into 8 pieces. Soak them into the water while waiting for its turn to cook. The meat is done boiling. Turn the heat off and let's wash them. Wash in running cold water so that it will remove the impurities and those dirty stuff. Wash the chicken wings and pork thoroughly. You need to cut the pork, so I need to cut it into pieces. Let's cut the pork almost as the same size as the chicken wings. And there you have it, combination of chicken wings and pork. The last ingredient is Afritada mix. Oh, this comes in pouches and you can buy this in some Filipino store like Seafood City. Now that all our ingredients are ready and prepared, so let's start cooking our chicken wings and pork Afritada. So here is my pan warming up as this time. Olive oil in. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Onions in. Saute it. Then garlic in. Salt and pepper. Give it a stir. Let's caramelize our onions and garlic. So let's put the lid for a while, for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes is over, and let's put our meat. Once you put the meat, the next is the bay leaf. So then our favorite chili pepper. Give it a stir. Carrots. Let's put our tomato. 1 can of diced tomato. Give it a stir. Now that we have the tomato, next is our special mix, Afritada. Put it in your cooking like this. Give it a stir. Then after that, you need to put 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Put the lid on. So let it boil. We'll turn down the heat to medium and let it slow cook for about 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes you have to check your cooking because you need to make sure that the water is still in it. If it's necessary to add water, then you have to add water. It smells so good. Now that 20 minutes is over, it's time for me to put the vegetable, which is the potato. Potato in. Give it a stir, like so. Now let's put the bell peppers. So look at that. It's so colorful. So now that all ingredients are in, let's wait for the potatoes and bell peppers to cook before we put the breadcrumbs. Give it like about 5 minutes. I think the potatoes are cooked already, so let's check it out. Sure, you have 1 piece of toothpick, so you can use this to test if the potato is cooked. Let's taste it. It is just perfect. It's time for us to put the breadcrumbs. Just put a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and we're ready. I'm ready to taste my afritada. How about you? Come on and join me and let's eat. I have 1 small cup of rice. If you don't have rice, you can also pair it with the sourdough bread or white bread or French bread. Because we're Filipino, we usually eat rice with our dish. Okay, let's start it. I get some small chicken wings, pork, some bell pepper and potato, some carrots, different kind of bell pepper, get some sauce. Look at that. Cooking is about arts and crafts. Craft because you put all small pieces together and create a big great thing. And it is also an art because you use your creativity to create a form and turns into an art like this. Look at these different colors in your palette. It is an art. Let's try it. The pork is so tender, it almost melts in your mouth. The sauce, it's so perfect that you can taste every single pieces of the ingredients. A small potato right there and the chicken. And let's try it. It's melting. So good. And that's it for today, guys. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching the Forlitz Sky. See you next time.